Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing some DIY outdoor decor, adding a little bit more to my porch. Super excited about this video. I don't know yet how many DIYs I will do, but I'll be sure to let you know. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. I would love it if you became part of the DIY family by subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Alright, let's get on to this DIY.
Okay, so we're going to start everything Dollar Tree. I think this whole video is all Dollar Tree. So starting with one of these baskets, also one of these serving trays, and then a plant hanger chain. These have 3 strands. I'm only going to be using 2 of them. So right here, I'm just marking the spot where I'm going to attach the chain to the tray and also to the basket, and taking my hot tool, I'm going to be melting that hole. And you guys, if you don't have one of these hot tools in your craft arsenal, what are you waiting for? They're not very expensive, and I have been using these a lot, or I have been using it a lot for some of my crafts. So now I'm just going to take some white acrylic paint, and I'm not going to completely cover the basket, but you know, just to give it that little distressed look. And then I'm also going to be doing the same with the tray, so covering the center part like completely, and then taking some tissue paper, taking the excess paint, and then just slightly like tapping it onto the sides, and it gives it sort of a textured look. Once that whole that surrounding area is what is this, a map? Once that whole edge, I don't even know what I'm saying right now. You guys see what I'm doing. Once that's all done, I am also going to be tapping it in the center to give it that textured look also. So originally I was going to do this with some jute twine, but I feel like I use rope and twine so much that I decided to trace it with some marker instead, just to give it a different look, and then also just to match the black on this Dollar Tree decal, and then also on the black on the next DIY that you'll see. I did remove some of the links on the chain so it's not extremely long, and then taking some pliers on that loop, the very top, I'm going to bend it. And so I'll bend it enough so that it hooks into the tray, and I'll show you guys what I mean. I ended up attaching the chain to one of the slits on the side of the basket just so that it's tighter and it doesn't move around. For this next DIY, we're going to take one of these trellis pieces from Dollar Tree, and then I'm using one of these Valentine's Day signs. I'm going to use both pieces, just removing everything, staples, hearts, ropes, whatever. And then taking some hot glue, I am going to glue them nicely together. Before I do that, I jumped the gun. I'm going to take my pliers and bend the trellis. So this is going to be a bench. Everything that I own, yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden. The only issue with these 2 signs is that they kind of bend up. If you guys can see on the table, they're not completely flush to it. They kind of dome a little bit. I tried to bend them back as much as I could, but I didn't want to break them, and so in order for them to stay attached as best as I can attach them, I did add a giant craft stick, and then taking this vinyl liner from Dollar Tree, which I absolutely love the wood grain on it, taking that piece and a lot of tacky glue, I'm gonna attach it to the pieces of the sign. Ugh. This is gonna be like the seat on the bench. The struggle is real, my friends. It is currently 10:10 p.m. We had 3 basketball games today, you guys, and I have been up since 7 o'clock and, you know, grinding away. You guys can see what I'm doing. It's pretty much self-explanatory. If ever you have any questions, make sure you leave them down below. I'd be happy to answer them and help you guys out so that you can create your very own Dollar Tree bench.
And I've come out here to say that I love you.
Alright, you guys saw what I did here. Now you see this excess piece of chain. That's from the previous DIY. Nothing ever goes to waste. And these little screws are from a different Dollar Tree sign from the brackets on the back. So taking those, just going to screw them in to attach the chain. And then also taking this little Dollar Tree welcome sign, just going to glue it onto this piece of leftover fence that is lined with that vinyl liner, and then attaching the top of the chain to the trellis. I do glue this at the top so it doesn't move around, and then I do put a little bit of the hot glue onto that screw and attach the chain that way so that doesn't move around.
You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say
I got super lucky because I found these little rub-on transfers. I don't know if you guys have seen them at your stores. It's the very first time I see them, but I think they're super cute, so I just added them onto my little welcome sign.
I let you down, and I know that I was not always around.
Now, taking 8 of these shot glasses, they do come in a pack of 6. I'm going to glue 2 of them together, and I'm going to make 4 sets to make my legs for my, what do we call it? Bench. And you guys can use whatever you want. I was breaking my head trying to figure out what I wanted to use, but I used what I have on hand. I didn't have to go out and buy anything new. So, you know, work with what you got, and it'll still come out beautiful. So once those are all glued nice and tightly on there, I put a bunch of hot glue. I'm taking some Dollar Tree chalkboard paint and painting the legs.
Wouldn't that make you mine again? You're all I'll ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy?
My friends, last but not least, I'm going to take this set of candy dishes, whatever, serving trays, whatever you want to call them. They are at the Dollar Tree in the wedding section. And then that vinyl liner had this little cardboard tube thingy in the center, so not going to waste it. I'm going to cut it with my Dollar Tree handsaw, and then I'm going to be gluing that as my stand on my little 2 trays, and everything else is pretty much explanatory. I am super tongue-tied. I don't know what else to say, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch and enjoy the music.
What if I said I'm sorry? What if I make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? All I ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while? I know that I've done so many things that let you down, but I hope that you give me one more chance to make you mine. What if I said I'm sorry? What if I said I'm sorry? Whoa, 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 whoa. What if I said I'm sorry? What if I said I'm sorry? What if I said I'm sorry? What if I make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? You're all I ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while? What if I said maybe I never knew what I really wanted, but looking back I can see it's all clear. Still a kid trying to act like they all taught me, but nothing makes sense anymore. Oh, it hurts to grow up, 'cause nothing makes sense anymore. Maybe I could have seen it all coming, that I wouldn't grow wiser for each day. Am I the only one lost in translation, where nothing makes sense anymore?
Okay, you guys, so that's going to be it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I would appreciate if you guys let me know which one was your favorite. Also, leave me a thumbs up. Those little thumbs up truly help me. And to be honest with you, even the thumbs downs help me. But let's try to keep this positive. In the description, I will also have all the information you will need about this video. And any other questions that you have, feel free to leave them down below. That's it, you guys. I am so winded right now, so I'll let you guys go. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.
Oh, nothing makes sense.